Hi, today we're going to look at adding some sliding windows to the contract that we've already created on Starfront with the casement windows. So, if you remember, the last casement window that we did was window number 6, which looked like this. And if you've watched that video, you will remember that we made these sashes standard sizes so that the glass panels all work out exactly the same. So how do you do a sliding window? Well, sliding windows are very easy. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus to add a new design. We're going to call this window 07. The type of window, once again, you choose a Crealco window. And now when you drop down your list of systems, these systems at the end here are all of your sliding windows. So we have a 500 slender line sliding window, then we have the Elite sliding window, the 540 multi-sliding window, a small glass hatch system, the 1000 series, which is a heavy duty sliding window, and the Vert 70, which is a vertical sliding window. So let's have a look. Let's start off, let's add just a standard 500 series slender line sliding window to this design. Category, there is only one category. And in fact, there is only one frame. So what the program will do automatically is fill in all the frame information. Now what you need to do is you just need to specify the overall width and the overall height of that frame. So let's assume it's 1200 tab by 900. Okay, that is the outer frame of my 500 series slender line window. And now what I do, there is only one opening. So I go into that opening. What do I want to put into that opening? Is I want to put in a sliding window. Category, there's one category. Code, there are 4 different options. That is simply an XX sliding window. That's an XOX where the center panel is fixed. That's also an XOX, but here all 3 panels are the same size. Here your center panel is bigger. And then you've got a 4 panel, an XXXX. So let's just put in a 2 panel slider. And that's it. That's all you need to do to design a sliding window. You will notice you cannot manipulate the overall width and height of that window, because if you change the size of one of these sashes, that window wouldn't work properly. So on a sliding window, you can't change anything further than just specifying the overall width and overall height of that window. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So we can check that design, no problems. Let's add another design. Let's call this window 08. And on window 08, what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose Crealco windows. This time I'm going to choose the Elite sliding window. There is only again one frame. So this time let's say our window is 1500 by 1100. That's the overall size of that window. And into opening number 1, I'm going to put in a sliding window. And this time I'm going to put in a 4 panel slider. And once again, that's all you need to do, because you cannot specify the size of each individual panel. You can only specify the overall width and the overall height of that sliding window. So you'll see it's very easy to design a sliding window. Alright, so I'll do one more for you. So let's go and let's say add another design. Let's call this window number 9. It's a Crealco window. This time let's go and choose, let's say, the 1000 series sliding window. That's a heavy duty sliding window. Now you'll see in this series we've got a choice of 2 different tracks. We've got a double track and we've got a triple track. So let's just go and choose a triple track for something different for a change. Alright, once again I can specify the overall width and height. So let's say this window is 1800 by 1200. That's the overall size of my window. And then I say into opening number 1, remember there is only one opening, so it's very simple. I want to put in a sliding window. Okay, and I choose the 1000 series triple panel slider, or triple track slider, sorry, and I can put in a 3 or a 6 panel. So I've got 1800, I can probably get away with a 3 panel. I choose my 3 panel. And there's my 3 panel 1000 series sliding window. So as you can see, guys, sliding windows are exceptionally easy to design on Starfront. In fact, the casement windows are a lot more complicated than any other design that you need to do in Starfront, except for shop fronts. Alright, so we're going to do one more. I want to show you a vertical sliding window, because the constraint on vertical sliding window, that's using the Vert 70 system, is that you have to use the right combination of sash sizes and glass thickness for that spring balance to work properly. So we're going to call this window number 10, W10. 1 off at 1000 wind load and no install. We're using the same design criteria. We choose our Crealco windows. I choose this time the Vert 70. And then immediately I see this message. Please note that only standard sizes can be used on the Vert 70. Wispeco takes no responsibility for non-standard designs. So although the program allows you to modify the size of that window, please, you need to be exceptionally careful, because if the weight of that sash is not right, the spring balances that you put in will not work correctly. So I say OK, and then what it's going to do is it's going to list all the standard sizes. Alright, we go everything from a 600 by 900 up to, at the bottom here, a 1200 by 1800. So let's say I'm going to choose just a 900 by 1500 with that -4-6 is the thickness of the glass. So I'm going to choose that, and in one step the program will automatically design that window for you. Now this combination of dimensions and glass thickness will automatically put in the correct spring balance. If you now go and modify the overall size, which is either the width or the height of this window, then please note you have to ensure that the spring balance is correct for the weight of that sash. And that's not a simple calculation to do. So also the other thing to notice is that although we chose a 900 by 1500 standard, all the standard windows are actually 10 mil smaller than the 900 by 1500. And that is because the 900 by 1500 is the opening size, and we are specifying 890 by 1490 as the physical size of that window. You need a 10 mil clearance around the edge of that window to be able to get that window in and sealed correctly on the brickwork. So these windows will automatically default to the standard sizes. As I say, guys, you can modify the sizes, but please be careful, because changes to those sizes can affect those spring balances that you need to use. And that is it. That is how easy it is to design a sliding window on the Starfront system. Once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see each other again in the near future for another video. Bye-bye.